What's up, guys? We are back on the Grom for another Grom video. Going to meet a buddy of mine, David. Actually, the guy I bought this one from. He's been in a couple videos. If you didn't see the last Hooligan Grom ride, go check it out. I'll post it down below, but this is not a group ride, guys. I am excited about this one. This is solely a meeting my buddy at the stunt lot, and we are going to work on some stunt riding. So let's see if we can get him to balance point, maybe. It's a nice little road. Ooh. Smooth, baby, smooth. Let's throw it. Let's go deep. Yes, sir. It's pretty deep.
It's not popping good at all.
No?
I'm all the way at 10,000 too.
Really?
Yeah, just completely dumped it.
Oh shit.
Or maybe it's me. Maybe I'm just too scared.
But what about first gear?
You want to try this?
Yeah, we can. We switched bikes, guys. This is so sketchy. This is second. Here we go. Go low. Let's dip this bitch. Scrub. I don't know how low that was. That was back. We were back there. There it is. Yeah. You got it. Yeah. That was good. That was good. Yep. Brake, brake, brake.
I got scared again.
Hey, I know the first thing you want to think, because you're actually in balance point, and you're like, just all you got to do, if you would have just a little bit, once you get it there, you'll realize the first time you get it, you got it.
I started going like a little side to side. That's why I want to like.
Yeah. Oh shit. Damn. Alright, guys. Another day over at the lot. This is not my most favorite lot, but that lot that I love is currently being used by the business that owns it. So I am over at this section, my beginner lot. Kind of fun fact, I started over here, and when I started, dude, I couldn't even, when I started here, I would go down here and I couldn't even wheelie from the start. Like, it was my goal to get to that turn, which is amazing. So the progress that I made, that's kind of how I gauged my progress. I used to always just try to go to markers first one of the day. Ooh. See if we can get a stand up. Make this turn here. I'm fit it right back. That's awesome. That was good. It felt really good. Alright guys, just got that was a pretty good roller right there. Coaster, I mean. Throw it back, coasting. Yes! And I caught it, dude. Yes! Yes! I'm so stoked. Guys, that felt awesome. Let's see if we can get another one. So I coasted, and then I was able to release the clutch back out and pick it back, you know, keep it going. That was awesome. That's a good start, boys and girls. I don't discriminate. Yeah, I got a little bit there. We got a little bit. I like doing them downhill just because of the momentum. Oh, dude, I freaking got him. I got him. See if I can get farther. See if we can run that back. Coasting. Yeah. I'm gonna run one more, guys. Take it to the house. It's starting to get dark and cold. I need to pop it up sooner so I can get, you know, further runway. Coast it right now. Did it. That was awesome. That was good. I feel it. I'm just not jacking the brake. I'm actually coasting. It's awesome. All right, back in the lot, different day. Got a little bit of sunshine. It's chilly today. I got my layers on, but I wanted to get out here. As you seen, I was getting consistent with some rollers in the last clip, so I want to get out and practice and see if I can get some rollers or coasters. Getting warmed up. Threw it back for the 360 camera. I got out here on the tripod. Throw it up. Throw it back downhill here. There he is. Oh yeah, easy. Easy. So with that one, guys, I went to Wheelie coaster, coasted for a minute, was able to get, you know, engage the clutch again, pick it back up, ride it, and then coast it again. Got another coaster, so getting better, guys. Yeah, I feel really good about those, man. I had to start adding a little flair to them. Driving them. Drive limiter coasters. Here we go. Oh, that was good. I actually felt that one, guys. Actually, I felt like I had my body and my hips twisted. That was good. I felt really good about that one. Took the hand off a little bit, guys. Eee. So one-handers are terrifying. Can't take it off. All right, well, definitely not comfortable, but it's first day with one-handers. Guys, if you're new here, appreciate you tuning in. My name is James. Been riding about 4 months. Started out on a little Stunt ATV, dirt bike, moved up to the Grom. So haven't been doing it long. We are currently in the winter time, so I'm trying to get the time I can in. Appreciate you guys tuning in. If you'd like and subscribe, man, support the channel, I'd certainly appreciate you. Let's do a sit down, staggered. That one hand, man, that's scary. I'm trying to kind of figure out how to feel like, I don't know, it feels weird. I see these guys that ride them for miles. It's nuts. It's first day, really first day with the coasters. Second day, really with the coasters, and ever trying the first day, the one hands. Yeah, it's gonna take some work. Stander. Nice easy clutch up. Take it. Put that bitch up to 12, boys. Easy. Easy. I'd love to know if you guys ride, man. Love to know how you do some of these, especially circles. That's my biggest hurdle right now is the circles. Nice. That was a nice coaster. All right. It's getting windier and colder, guys. I got like 3 layers on. I'm gonna try to hit one, see if it feels good, maybe go for another one-hander. We're gonna take it to the house, guys. Keep an eye out for the next part. I'm just gonna continue with my progression series here. I'm gonna get them circles. Yes, yes. First day, guys. That was good. That was way longer than the other ones. That felt good.